In this Capcut tutorial, we'll guide you on how to easily flip and rotate your videos. Whether you need to correct an upside-down recording or want to add a creative twist to your footage, we've got you covered. Let's open the Capcut app on our device and import the video we want to rotate. Here's a clip that I'd like to adjust. We can either rotate it or flip it, depending on what we need. First, select the video in your timeline, and a few options will appear at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled Transform. You'll see 3 different choices at the bottom. To flip your video, simply tap the mirror button. If you want to rotate your video by 90 degrees, just click the rotate option in the center. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.